go out on a trail in this thing, you're dying.
Why you decided to put it there? I guess that's where it's supposed to be.
And then if I want to go get a taco from Taco Bell, it only takes me 30 seconds.
That's right. No problem.
I don't get Taco Bell though.
Will it run? Oh wait, it already does.
It does run.
It just doesn't have any gas.
That's right. Oh yeah. Got a spare U-joint.
Not that way.
Turn it backwards. Oh hey, it works now.
Fixed it.
Fixed it. It's in gear.
No, I took it out. Yeah. Big Bird couldn't get the key to work. But it's working. Now I gotta get out of this thing. Smells fresh. Smells like my go-kart when I was a kid.
Yeah. That's where this came from. California Dan.
You got chains in case you need to go to the snow.
Parking brake's on now. Want me to push it again?
Yeah.
Here goes.
Go ahead.
What was all that? It just puked out.
It's water.
It's a lot of water.
Flipping switches. Oh, there it is.
Start.
That's the one.
Something's vibrating under my feet.
Your butt. That's the one. Hang on, hang on. Okay, go ahead. Yeah.
What is it? 283? What's in it?
Keys on.
I don't know what
Keys off.
Keys off. It's in gear.
Was it on the whole time? Because it was straight up and down when I got in it.
I got it to go like that. I think this is kind of offish.
Okay.
What, you like the engine that's in it?
No, whatever. It's up to you.
I don't like how cramped this is. That's what I don't like.
You gotta move the seats back.
I think that's stock. That's normal, yes. But it's
Come on, Sparky.
chain yourself in.
Yeah, that's cool. See, so you can get in the back. Heater.
Yeah, I've bought and sold a lot of these Jeeps and I never kept any, so I think I want to keep this one and build it into something.
Yeah.
I want to take this off and send it out and get it green. And then put the axles together and then put that 427 in it for stupidity reasons.
40 inches on it, so they...
What size tires can I put on it? What size are those tractor tires? One problem is, I can't get out. Not easily. Ow!
But the problem is when you go 40, you know, back the tires right there, you only got like 2 feet in between.
It'd be easier to put tracks on it that way.
It's already got a lift kit on it. It's got good clearance. I think 35.
37?
We'll go bigger than that.
37 super style. Skinny.
It's going to be wider and taller.
I don't want it looking like a roller skate though. Like a fat, you know.
It's probably going to be, tires probably going to be out here.
That's fine. Because we got this cool little add-on strip.
Yeah. Extra.
Well, it'll give it the visual. I don't know about the front.
You can get as wide as you want.
You could put plastic little covers over it if it looks silly.
Got
You
all
know
the-
that look where there's squatty on the outside? No offense, but kind of like a Chevy truck. You know what I'm saying? It's riding on the outside of the vehicle.
Yeah, no, it won't be that far out.
This is headed out to get some special treatment. A truck massage of sorts. So stay tuned for what it looks like next.